In this video, we'll look at how to create discounts for your online store. We'll start with product-specific discounts and then move on to more general discounts that can be applied to multiple products at the same time. First, go to Products and open one product. On the product page, scroll down to the Pricing section and click Add Discount. This opens a dialog with 3 discount options, as you can see here on the screen. There's a fixed discount, a targeted discount, and a bulk rate discount. For this example, we'll choose the option in the center, Targeted Discount. Next, set a discount percentage. The discount settings are shown here, including the calculated price. In this view, the discount can also be targeted to a specific time period, country, or customer group. Leave the default options for now. Once everything looks good, click Confirm and save the product. And that's how you can add discounts for specific products. Next, let's look at how to create a more general product discount. From the left menu, go to Marketing and click the Add Discount button at the top. Then choose Product Discount. This opens a separate page where the discount settings can be defined. At minimum, always set the discount percentage, name, and description. If no restrictions are added, the discount will apply to all products in the store. However, the discount can be restricted, for example, to a specific product group. For this example, we'll choose one product group, so the discount only applies to products in that group. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner to save the discount. And that's it. Finally, it's always a good idea to check the discounted products directly in the online store, just to make sure everything is working as expected. You can open the store to see the discount in action.